Practical, this adjustable oil filter wrench is designed to remove filters without damaging the filter housing. Serrated design, the special serrated design to hold the filter firmly makes it not easy for it to fall off. Fine workmanship, meticulous sanding makes the texture smoother and offers a comfortable operating feel. Adjustable, the extended spring installs on the key, makes the movable rod easy to adjust. Operating range, it is suitable for 60 to 80 mm oil filters. It can be used with 1-2 ratchet wrench or 22 mm opening wrench. Specs: type oil filter wrench, color black, material cast steel, drive size 1-2, operating range 60 to 80 mm, total size 55-60 mm to 0.16 to 0.36, net weight 450 g 15.87 ounces. Package 1 oil filter wrench. Please check the description link to order this product. Also, check out our bio.